Whoa. Hello friends and strangers, welcome back. Today I got an unboxing and kind of a review video of my phone case haul from AliExpress. It was my first time purchasing from AliExpress, so I kind of went down like a little rabbit hole and I was just so tempted by all these cute and cheap phone cases. So let's just say I bought way too many phone cases that one would need their entire lifetime. But hey, I actually use every single one of them, so joke's on you. Anyway, it took me about 3 months and I'm finally putting this video up. So without further ado, here it is. Somehow they came together. I'm not sure, I didn't buy them all from the same vendor, but okay, let's just open. Let's see. I also bought a bunch of phone cases from my boyfriend as well, so some of this might be his. We're gonna find him. I'm so excited. Okay, not gonna lie, one of the reasons why I wanted to switch to an iPhone is so that I can get cute phone cases. That sounds like a really dumb reason, but it's a reason. Oh, this is my boyfriend. These are mine. This has like a sticky tape thingy on the back, so you just stick it on here. And I bought this one. We're supposed to look like this with the boba. I'm not an Asian girl unless I'm an Asian girl that's also obsessed with boba. Ta-da! So cute! Oh my gosh. It's never enough. You can't have too many phone cases, you know? You can have them on rotation. It's like you change your clothes every day, you change your phone cases every day. Look at this. Oh, look at this avocado. It's so cute. It's kind of, it fell off. Also, this case, like the case itself, the material and the thickness of it feels the same as these one. Maybe they're from the same vendor, but yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. And my phone is green and I think it just goes so well. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. My reaction for all these phone cases are literally the same. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They have multiple colors in this. This one is the transparent with like a green tint to it. So it makes the back of my phone looks a little darker. Oh my god, I can just wear it on my wrist. Like, you know, you out grocery shopping and you know, I don't got pockets because they don't make them come with pockets because usually girls' clothes. You know, I can go on about this whole conspiracy, why I think there's a reason why for like guys, they get these big pockets in their bottoms, their jeans or shorts, but for girls, they either they're non-existent or they're like this big and you can't fit anything in them, so you have to buy bags or you just deal with it and hold it in your phone. Oh, this is my boyfriend cases. Here, I'll show you. Also, I have noticed at this point that all these phone cases are kind of like at the same thinness. So if you're trying to buy phone cases to actually protect your phone, don't buy them on AliExpress. Or at least, you know, buy the more expensive one, because all of these are like only a couple dollars. So, you know, you get what you pay for. And what I pay for is the aesthetics. And I got what I paid for. Here, let me show you. And then this is pop socket on top. Ah, so cute. Actually, I can tell this one is a little bit thicker than the other one. Like the side itself is a little thicker. Oh, and there's like all these like shock-proof edges. It's so cute. It goes so well with my the color of my phone. Oh. I never ever in my life had this many phone cases. Like these flower ones, the backing, like this backing itself is thicker because like I think they have to have like 2 layers of plastic to press the flower. So the backing on this one is not as thick, but I think what's really important is the edges. And this one is more sturdy and it will protect your phone more. Nick, look at the phone case! It's so cute!
Oh wait, I need to take out the glass.
Oh
no.
This one has a backing on the camera, right? And like our phones, we got these like screen protector for the back camera, and I think it still fits.
Think so?
Yeah, it still fits. This is your.
Oh.
The expensive one. Whoa, I like the texture.
Well, I didn't know the texture would be like this.
Yeah, and it came with a screen protector. Okay, yeah, this is cute, but this is like
good quality.
Pretty. Yeah, different vibe going here. No, this is like meme cute. No, people have different definition of cute.
I want to keep this.
Okay, so that's the video for today. We'll continue on with the rest of the packages. Come in! Today is February 27th, and I wanted to start editing and uploading my phone case video, but I realized I didn't film a video of me opening these phone cases that I received. So here it is. This was the one that I was most excited for, but I think you can already tell from here that this is not gonna work out. This is what it looks like on, and you can see from the edges here, it does not conform. There's like there's space right here, and in the back it's covering my camera. It's such a cute idea though, but the execution is just this could have been so cute, and I was so excited for this. This one's case is actually, I find it kind of boring, but I think for those who just want something a little simple but with a little bit something, then this is a really good phone case. And I like that it's very smooth in the back. It feels like I'm like gliding on top of my screen. That's what the back feels like. But the edges though is like a matte finish, so you have a better grip in your hand. And the charging here is not blocked. I have like one of the other phone case I had, this charging outlet is like blocked, so every time I want to charge I have to like take the case out. This one is a cute one. I don't like that my rainbow got cut off here though, but it's a basic, simple, cute phone case. It's not much. It's like what you see is what you get here. All right, okay. I was actually a little disappointed when I first sorry. I was actually a little disappointed when I first saw this because it looks a little different from the picture. In the picture, these flowers are filled in. I love the accent color of the buttons against the purple. So yeah, it's really cute. I wish the back wasn't so like how do you call this? The color. It's very, I think it dilutes the color of the green from my phone. But yeah, overall, it's a solid phone case. So this is my ranking of all the phone cases I ordered for this video. From top to bottom, this is my favorite and this is the least, and you know why, of course. And I used this so much that I accidentally broke I forgot what you call these things here. pop socket. Yeah, there you go. I accidentally sat on it, so I was so sad when I broke it. But it's still very cute. I love the accent to it. Like how the buttons against the color of the case. These buttons are a lot easier to press. And this one, you have to give it an extra push. And not only that, these cases, these 3 right here, they're really cute, but the reason I put them at the bottom is because the plastic is very hard and it's just stiff, and I think that makes it even harder to press the button here. I always have to give it an extra push in order to press it. This is what I mentioned earlier. It has this thingy that blocks it, which is very annoying. But even after I move out this tab to charge, I still can't charge with the case on because this whole opening is very, it's narrow. It's not as wide as the other one. This part right here on the clear one, it always blocked the charger, so I can't plug it all the way. And this one is super cute. I love this one. The problem is, it's super noisy, so if you like go to work with this, oh my god, it's very noisy. But this handle is so useful. This is like life-changing. I feel like I need to buy more phone case with these like handles. But I already have a lot of phone cases, so I don't think I should be buying more. So I just want to make a note of this phone case here. This is actually my second to last favorite phone case because even though it's really cute and this strap is super useful, it's actually not very safe to use, and I actually dropped my phone because of this strap. The link here, there's a space in between them, and all of them has a space in between them, so when you kind of running around holding it or using it roughly, it actually comes off. So that happened to me and I dropped my phone, and there's a slight dent on it, but it's fine. So next time when I buy something like this again, I would definitely check the link of how these straps are linked up. This is the end of my video. Please like and subscribe that button. Bye. Nick!
Yeah? I'm applying my screen protector.
Look at me.
Are any from mine?
Yeah. This one. This one came.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, I forgot to tell you the price. I was just looking for my phone so I can tell you the price, and then I realized I'm holding my phone. Yeah. Okay, Jackie is the person who influenced me to go on this crazy rampage on AliExpress and bought all these phone cases.
I was not responsible in any of her purchases though.
Oh, it's cute. Now I don't have to like wash all my like dramas at work with my phone flat on the table. And I can hide it from my boss when he walks in, so it's just like he can't see my screen.
You hear that, Iman? What's his name?
Iman! He's not gonna be like go on YouTube and search AliExpress phone case unboxing. Like,
yeah, exactly. Oh my god, this one's my favorite. Oh yeah, this one's the winner.
And this one is also the most expensive.
I think the angle is a little higher on this one, but it's still pretty cute.
Alright, we got more phone cases today. Just one, I think. So I'm gonna open this.
Can I move it? Your head is cut off.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I don't want to move it.
Wait, this is not phone cases! Alright, wrong video. Okay, cut this, add it back to the other video, the unboxing video. Okay, guys. Hello, we're back, alright? I got this from AliExpress. I thought those phone cases, but it's not. I got eyelashes.
Ooh,
and they're magnetic.